Hi, it's Miss Rose, and today I'm going to show you how to use an app called ChoiceBoard Creator. So to download, you would go into the App Store and you would type in ChoiceBoard Creator and search. And I use the top one, the ChoiceBoard Creator under Education. You could also use the ChoiceBoard Lite, but I prefer this one. So when you open it up, it will open to your saved activities. An example of an activity would be yes or no, and I'm going to click on that.
Yes
and it gives
or
you the
no.
options of yes or no, and your student can pick which one they want by touching it,
Yes.
and it tells you
Yes
whether or not
or
it's the
no.
correct answer, or you could just set it so there is no correct answer. So to create a new activity, we'll click on Activities, and then we are going to use the plus sign next to the word Activities right there. And it says New Activity. You have to enter a title. So just for an example, we're going to do drink so that your child can choose which drink they would like. So we'll go ahead and name that, save it. Okay, so it's been created. Now we can edit it. So click on the activity you created and you can edit. So we can add a page. So our first page, you choose how many buttons you would like. Today, we are only going to choose 2 boxes. So down at the bottom, there's a plus and a minus under boxes. We're going to use the minus button to reduce it to 2. And then we can tap to add content to our first box. And we're going to use our photo library. So you can use pictures from the web. You can use pictures that you take at home on your camera. This picture I used from the internet. So our first choice is going to be orange juice. And you can go ahead and click underneath. You can click on enter caption here under the picture, and it will automatically let you edit that. So next we'll tap on the second picture. We'll go to photo library, and I'm going to choose a picture of milk. And then underneath we'll just type out milk. And it wants you to create a correct choice. So you can actually choose both of these to be correct. If you were asking a comprehension question, like who was the main character, you would want the correct choice to be the main character. But if it's something that is their preference, there should be no right answer if they want juice or milk. So you can go ahead and make them both correct. If you want to, at the bottom, you could add another page. Today, just for this example, we are not going to choose another page. You could also use more boxes, or you could add more pages at the bottom. We are going to save this. Oh, and I just realized at the top, you want to ask a question. So you will click at the very top where it says enter record question here. And you can go ahead and say, what would you like to drink? You can also record. If you click on the music note, you can make a recording that would say, what would you like to drink? Today we'll just leave it at that, and so you can save it. And then when you're ready to use it, you click done on the lower right bottom, and it will bring you back to the main screen. So we will click on activity, go back. So our recent activities are listed here. So in order to use the board, you would go ahead and click on drink. And your student would then use this at this point, and you could say, what would you like to drink? And they can choose either milk, and it gives the children because it's a correct answer, or they could choose orange juice. So you can use this for yes or no, or your child's preferences. Like I said, you could upload pictures from home by taking photos on the iPad or your phone. This app is also available for phones, so it works similar, but it's a little bit, I find it a little bit easier to use on the larger device like the iPad, but if all you have is your cell phone, then that's fine too. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.